All right, so currently I'm looking at Audjpy for a short setup, mainly because if you go into the monthly, you can see that price managed to break above this zone here, where we've had previous resistance quite a bit. And once price broke above, we had a few rejections off that zone. And now finally we've had price come down, bounce, close above, and then finally we've had price break through here with this closure below for that month. So now I kind of want to see this month in continuation. We have about 15 days left on the trading calendar for this monthly to form. But I'm mainly looking for shorts on this because, again, monthly's bearish in my opinion. Weekly's also bearish in my opinion because you've had, again, the break below a new. Technically, if you go this far back, it's going to be a higher low, but for me, I'm going to go based off of this just because you're on a higher time frame. So for me, you have a lower low being formed, and then for me, this is going to be the lower high. And notice how it's forming around our EMA. So for me, I like to have at least three things in sync for me to take a bias on this. So right now we have two time frames, weekly, daily, well, three technically, monthly, all bearish in my opinion. Monthly is kind of iffy just because you have a massive, it could form as a doji for that month, closes the doji, I mean. But besides that, weekly is bearish, daily is also bearish. And on top of that, you have the EMA also in sync. So we could see price come up and hopefully this EMA breaks a little bit more down before having a wick rejection, before the move to the downside. But that's really what I want to see. And then going down to the daily, same thing. Looking for a short just because daily is also bearish. We've had price break below, lower high. I guess you could claim as a higher low, but I'm not really going to go based off just that. Just because we are at a big resistance zone. So for me, I want to see price action come up to this EMA at the very least before I enter my shorts. And then hopefully, we can see this daily close. Even if this daily closes as a doji, hopefully the next trading day we'll see open up and come and test these highs here before breaking down. TP1 for me on this setup, I'm going to put here. And TP2, I'm going to target here. TP3, and then TP4, and then if you're going to hold eventually, can you hold to the further lows, which is at around 85.10. So we'll see how this plays out. I'll post another setup once we take a position.